Buy greenhouse cleaner. Much hype is given to green products, and with good reason. Even house cleaner now includes a variety of really neat green varieties that enable consumers like you to make the more environment-friendly choice when it comes to maintaining your home. This will allow you to maintain your home squeaky clean without taking a generous toll off the environment as you do it. Solvent material. Read the fine print very carefully when scouring the supermarket for cleaning materials and choose the more eco-friendly solvent. A good solvent is grain alcohol, though you will find butyl cellulose as the more toxic and common ingredient for solvents. Home ingredients. Some of the home ingredients that you can purchase in lieu of really harmful home cleaning chemicals include baking soda, vinegar, basic soap, and washing soda. These are some home ingredients that you can mix and match to be able to build a potent house cleaner. You can differ the ratios of these ingredients depending on the intensity needed by a house cleaning task. The bathroom may be more demanding than the table surface in your living room. Fragrance-free. Fragrances require an additional mixture of chemicals that make the product less green than the usual. Though very nice to the nostrils, it is more harmful to the environment in the long term. In a shelf where you have no outright environment-friendly labels, the fragrance-free cleaners stand a better chance of passing the green standards better than the perfumed products. Standards. The design for the environment label has produced new standard criteria for cleaning products. Aside from being meticulous in checking the ingredients list, the green seal of approval in most commercial cleaners can also help you narrow down the more considerate manufacturers who really value the impact of their products to the environment. Natural alternatives. Before buying a lot of green cleaners, it is best to eliminate dirt and clean the house the natural way. Do as much as you can naturally and save the green cleaners as last resort for persistent stains and other problems. Green consultants. Greenhouse Eco Cleaning is one website that provides assistance that keeps you from attractive marketing packages that make harmful cleaners more harmless than they actually are. The consultants will be able to really tell you which products are more environment-friendly than the popular choice that fills the supermarkets and the malls. Warning signs. Ingredients with warning or poison signs must be avoided at all costs if you are planning to buy the greenest cleaner you can get a hold of. The poison warning indicates that the materials are too strong for your green taste. Buying a greenhouse cleaner is just one of the many steps that you can take in trying to help save the planet from harmful effects of chemicals. You cannot really do away with the existence of chemicals in the modern world, but minimizing it through eco-friendly house cleaners is already a substantial contribution to make.